time is up. Let's see the solution to this. I think many of you would have solved the solution correctly. I've solved the question correctly, rather. So basically, this was the image provided to you, and you were just supposed to download this image, and the flag was hidden inside it. So basically, you have to just download the image, and if you just open this using Notepad and find the flag hidden inside it, as I earlier said, the structure of the flag is CSI-CTF. So if you just search the keyword CSI, you will definitely find the flag. And here is the flag.
एवढं कुठून कुठून
So you have to
करायला
just
पोरजण पण
copy
करतात.
and paste this in the text box. And yes, congrats, you have got the flag. So this was the first task or the first challenge regarding this part. So now again, I'll be providing with the next challenge link in the chat box, and you have 3 minutes to solve. Yes. So here again, you were provided with an image, and the flag was hidden inside the image, and you were also provided with a hint that this can be solved online if you don't want to do it by your hand. And also, there was a key point here that it can be solved if you know what is a hex editor. So you were supposed to just Google the word hex editor and you will find a link here. And all you were supposed to do was to just download this image and open this image here and search the flag here in the text. Or you can either ways just search the keyword CSI in the search tool available right hand side of the corner, and here it is. Basically, this is your flag, and you have to just copy and paste it here. So yeah, this is the flag. Congrats, this is the flag. So this was all about the second part challenge.